So hello guys, I'm Christian Medallada. So today we'll teach you how to install Python in your system unit. So let's just start in searching in our browser. So type Python download. So you can use any browser that you have. So just click the first link, which is python.org from the documentations. So as you can see, when you click it, it will hop in this. Just click download Python 3.13. So in my case, it's already downloaded. So we're just gonna install it. So in your case, you need to download it first. So submit it. Now on the downloads page, you can see Python. Before clicking install now, remember to check this box at python.exit path so it will not be manually inputted later in the environment variables. And after that, let's just click install now. So we will just gonna wait on the setup progress. So it will take a time because it will install some library and other needed for the language. So we're gonna wait for it first. So after the download, it will pop up with this message: setup was successful. So it's up to us if you want to disable the pathlet limit. So for me, I'll just maintain it like that and just close it now. So to check if Python is already installed in your system, just go to PowerShell or also you can use command prompt and type Python. So as you can see, Python is already installed in our system. So Python 3.13.0. So that's most of it on how to install Python in our system unit. Hope you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.